Hello fellow DIYers. My name is Grace and today we'll be learning how to apply custom iron-on vinyl to clothing using Cricut machines. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your supplies. Today's project requires the item of clothing you'll be customizing. We are using baby onesies, a Cricut machine, ours is the Cricut Maker 2, a toolkit that includes scissors and a weeding tool, Cricut heat mat, Cricut 9x9 inch heat press 2, Cricut standard adhesive mat, and Cricut everyday iron-on vinyl. All these items will be linked below in the description of this video. Step 2. Create and customize your design in the Cricut design space, or browse the many available designs through the Cricut. You may do this by accessing the project portal on the left-hand toolbar and scroll through the options, or use the search bar at the top right corner to find something specific. We have already created our design beforehand. Step 3. To send your design to the Cricut machine, click the Make It button at the top right-hand corner of the design space. A new window will appear with your design on a mock mat. Now a key step, you must make sure to mirror your design before moving forward. To do this, press the mirror button located on the left-hand side of the screen. Step 4. To cut the design, press Continue at the bottom right side of the screen to be brought to the last window where you will pair your Cricut machine via Bluetooth or wired connection. Make sure to have your Cricut machine on for it to connect to your computer and the dial turned to iron-on. On your screen you will see what mode the machine is in, the type of blade you require, and a feature called Fast Mode. Fast Mode allows for a quicker cut. Before you're able to send the design to the machine, you must measure out and cut the vinyl needed, place it on the standard grip mat at the top left corner, and feed the mat through the machine. Once this is done, press the Cricut icon button on the machine to begin the cutting process. Step 5. Once the design is cut, you can remove the mat and the vinyl and begin removing the negative space. Negative space are parts of the design that you want to remove the vinyl from. Step 6. Go to the Cricut Heat Guide website, linked below, and follow the instructions or copy what I inputted. Step 7. Now you're going to prep the Cricut Easy Press by inputting the correct temperature and time the website recommended. For us, it was 315 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. Step 8. Warm the piece of clothing for about 5 seconds. I also fold the clothing in half and apply heat to create a midline crease to help center my vinyl. Then we continue to follow the instructions from the website, which for us was 30 seconds on the front, flip and do 15 seconds on the back, and wait to remove the clear plastic until cool to touch. In our case, the plastic came off with the Easy Press too early. If this were to happen for you, still continue and follow all the instructions. After removing the plastic, apply another 5 seconds of heat to the front to seal the vinyl and leave to cool. And there you have it, your very own custom clothing item. To care for this item, wait at least 24 hours before washing, and when washing, turn the item inside out and never use bleach. You can really do anything when customizing clothes, but if you would like to use the designs from this video, you can purchase them from our Etsy store, link in the description. If this video helped you in any way, feel free to hit the like button. If you have any suggestions on what videos we can make next, leave a comment. And if you want to keep learning new methods, subscribe. Until next time, my name is Grace, and I hope this video made your life a little easier.